Hello foodies, welcome to Foodie Rules. This is Vamshi back with another yummy recipe that is basic coconut cookies. To make these basic coconut cookies, I've added 1 cup of all-purpose flour in another bowl, and I'm going to add 1/4 cup of corn flour. This is regular corn flour guys, which is used in making the soups. And I'm also going to add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. This is a regular sugar which has been processed in the food processor. And I'm also going to add 1/8 cup of oil. If you want your cookies to be more moist, you can add butter instead of oil. And add 1/4 cup of coconut powder. And also 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you have coconut extract, you can add that. Mix everything together. I feel comfortable with my hands, so I'm going to mix everything with my own hands. And next, I'm going to add half cup of chilled milk. Knead everything till everything get totally blended. Next, keep the dough aside and sprinkle some flour on your working table or on your working surface. And I'm going to also sprinkle coconut powder a little bit. Spread everything with your hands and take a small portion of dough. Smooth it using your palms and place it on the flour surface. And I'm going to roll it with using a rolling pin, and the thickness should be around 2 mm to 3 mm. And I'm going to cut it using a cutter. Before that, I'm going to add a little bit of coconut powder on top, which makes it more tasty. And I'm also going to add some sugar. This makes it more sweet. You might be thinking if we add sugar on top, it may burn while baking. Nothing will happen, guys. You can totally add it. Roll it a little bit so that all the things get stick to it. Gently roll it or else the sheet may break. And I'm going to cut it using a glass. I don't have a cutter, so I'm using a glass. So flour the glass or a cutter, whatever you use, and cut everything together. I'm going to remove it aside and remove the excess. Dust little bit so that all the coconut and sugar fall down, and you can use it for the next batch. Using a fork, make holes on the cookies and place it on a baking pan. This is not a baking pan. I have used a wire stand which has been covered with the aluminium foil, and I'm going to bake it at 180 degrees centigrade for 6 to 8 minutes, or the top and bottom becomes brown. That's it guys. Here you go, the tasty whatever you want in a basic recipe. Do try it. Share your experience with my Foodie Rules channel. Subscribe my channel. Give a like. Thank you for watching this video.